It's your girl, Shyvon.
It's your boy Javon, man, aka your favorite Jamaican, you know what I'm saying? Back at here with another video, you know what I'm saying? Aka.
You so silly. Okay, so as you all can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a Fashion Nova haul. So basically, guys, I'm gonna be trying on Fashion Nova clothes, and he's gonna be rating them. So he's kind of excited to be doing this video. I'm excited. I've never done anything like this, so we're gonna get straight into the video. So all this chit chat. Stop chatting so much, Javon. We'll get into the video. Peace. Okay. What you just did? Okay, I'm trying the first piece.
Cha cha.
You can't see me. Alrighty.
Open my eyes. All right.
Yes, you can open your eyes.
I don't want.
I feel like this should be. This should be tighter. Stop! Don't do that. Ooh. Okay, guys. I should have ordered a darker patch because you gotta see that, and that looks weird. See?
Supposed to be black?
No, not black. It's just supposed to hide my nipple, my areola.
Is this a? Oh no, that's a.
What?
I thought that was a little. What's that thing called? All right.
You so goofy. So what do you rate this one? So this is actually a body special.
You can tell them what you got on. You want me to describe what you got on? No, you can. No, you describe.
Okay,
what you
this
got on.
is actually, guys. This is like a body suit. So I'm not gonna put it all the way down, but this is a body suit. This is how it looks in the back. Yes. And then these pants. I forgot the name.
Oh, these are from Fashion Nova too?
Yeah, these are Fashion Nova. Guys, I've been bought these pants like last year, I believe, but I'm just pairing it because it's a Fashion Nova thing. So everything over like I have is Fashion Nova. So
yeah, guys, she stay on Fashion Nova 20.
like 99% of my clothes are Fashion Nova.
You know what?
I think they should sponsor.
I think she ordered almost the same as anybody else who's like sponsored, but she just don't take any. She take pictures, but she doesn't know like post on social media. She don't
I'm not
act.
really like a picture girl, but I'm getting into it. So what you think?
I like the style of it.
Could I wear this outside?
Where else I wear?
Could I wear this outside? Like,
You outside your house, see in my house, so yeah.
see how he act, y'all. So I'm gonna just wear this in the house.
No, you can wear it to the yeah.
In the house?
No, what you mean by wear outside, like to wear?
Like if we're going on a date or
Like
something.
on a date?
Yes.
Smoking crack.
I don't smoke crack. Crack is a whack. Okay, rate it, babe. What you think?
Alright.
The pants too.
Give me a
Rate
full
it.
360.
Okay.
Okay, let me see what that way.
Oh, my bad.
So I give 2 ratings for this, I think.
Just rate the outfit.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the outfit.
Okay.
In whole. I don't know if y'all can see the outfit, but let me stand up here.
Okay.
But it's basically like, you know, these are like boyfriend jeans, so yeah, so that's
Okay,
how
I come to my final conclusion. I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Reason being, because you got the jeans on.
the jeans.
You know what I'm
so
saying?
okay, so without the jeans,
You still ain't gonna 10. I already give my rating already.
take the jeans off.
I already give my rating already.
8.5.
8.5.
Whatever.
But don't get me wrong, the style is okay. I like the.
Ow, boy. I think I'm getting too thick for these. I think I need to buy another size, but like different size. Yeah.
If it was this by itself, you probably get a solid 10. But
Okay.
you know what I'm saying? You get an 8.5.
Well,
It's
let
too
me
late
show
to
you.
change it.
Whatever.
You know what
Okay,
I'm
guys.
saying? Alright.
Next outfit. All right. Close your eyes, babe. You can look at me, babe.
I got it now.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay. 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 do I say
to your life.
Alright, what you got here, babe?
This is a romper. This is a neon yellow green lime. I think it's called lime. What's the tag say? I think it's neon lime or something.
Yeah, neon yellow.
Oh, neon yellow. Okay, same thing. But yeah, I have a neon yellow romper with the lace at the bottom. So.
Can you guys see that?
They can see that. I don't like it because it's see-through.
Okay.
Maybe because look.
Oh, you're talking. Oh, okay.
Y'all can see. You can see my whole like.
Yeah.
Maybe I need like a darker one, a darker thingy. I probably only wear these with.
Oh, it match your hand? Oh no, it match your toes. Well.
Kind of. This one is more neon. Yeah. So what you think, man?
I definitely that I ain't gonna lie to you. I like this.
You like it?
I'm gonna give this a solid 9.
What? Really? You like it for real?
Yeah, I like it.
You do?
I'm pretty sure you got something back there gonna give me that solid 10 plus. This is easy 9.5.
9.5?
Yeah, easy 9.5.
What you like about it?
Okay. Nah, but I like everything about it. Just I like everything about it. I don't dislike anything about it. It's cool. It's pretty nice. But
you like it?
Alright, what you got next for me? What you got next for me?
Let's go to the next
It's
item.
spicy up in here.
You drink too much. I'm gonna say that. Okay, you can open.
It's spicy.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, that response.
You don't like this?
Okay. Okay. Little date night clothes type, you know what I'm saying?
I picked this mainly because of the okay, because I picked this mainly because of the color, because I'm trying to like get more colors in my wardrobe, and because it's out in the back, so it's like it's breezy and it's it's open right here, so
Florida type thing.
Yeah. So babe, what you think? Oh, these pants are also fashionable.
Yeah, I thought it was the same pants, but I read other pants had a little thicker hole right here.
Yeah, so these are Fashion Nova jeans as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the shirt is also Fashion Nova.
Oh, it's supposed to wear underneath, or you just put it
Well, I mean, I can wear like a swimsuit underneath, or I can wear just like a little tank top underneath. But me personally, I would not wear this bare, like by itself. I'll probably wear like a bralette or a tank top or a swimsuit under it. But yeah. So what you think, babe? Like it?
You know, get your nails done, match the outfit. I can see that it actually match your toes.
Yeah, this one I think neon lime. This better be a neon.
It's not bad. I actually like this.
You like this one?
I actually like it. Little chilling on the beach vibes.
Yeah.
A solid 9.5.
9.5?
9.5.
What?
I take that back.
I was about to say I didn't get a 9.5 for that red one. That one was sexy.
I give this one. I just like the combination of the color. You got the black, the blue, and
lime green. I think it's lime green. I mean, neon lime.
It's not bad. I actually like it. I actually like it. No, it's a difference between the other two. The other two you brought. I'm sorry. It's a difference between the first two and this one. The first two is like a little bit more sexy, so of course it's gonna be a different rating as far as sexiness. But this right off is like, how would I say? It's like, cause this is why it's gonna get its rating, cause it's not really. I'm not doing it based off. If it was something similar to sexiness, then it's gonna be okay, yeah. But it's like something like, how would I say?
Y'all give him the word he's trying to say.
You can help me out too. It's like a chill movie date type thing. So that's why I'm gonna give this a solid 9.
What? Okay, I see that.
See, I'm not. It's a difference between just like this and
sexy.
And bikini, whatever the crap is that.
That's a bodysuit, babe.
Okay, yeah, my bad.
You're so silly. Okay, so a 9. What you say?
9.
9.
9, yeah.
See all this stuff lined up? I need to wash it and get all that extra stuff. Okay, so next outfit. This is, I believe this is the final outfit.
Final?
I believe this is the final one.
Oh, outfit.
Yeah. All right, so next one. Close the eyes, baby. Oh, Lord.
Nice.
Yes, you
Okay. Okay, model. Okay, little model. Okay. Buzz down.
You, I would knock you out. You so goofy. Okay, what you think, babe? I really like this shirt. I would wear it.
Okay, babe, tell us what we got right here.
So, right, I just put back on the other pants. So for the shirt, I have a lot of like people that was like, you know, try yellow on your skin. Yellow would look really nice. So I bought this shirt. I think it's really cute. We're coming into the summertime, so you know, even though it's long sleeve, it's not really like, it's not heavy on me. And then you know, I got air, so I can breathe. I don't get hot. And I just think this is really cute. I'm trying to grow into my sexy grown woman phase type of thing, so that's why I bought this shirt.
Understand that.
So yeah, what you think, baby? This is how it looks in the back.
Let me see in the back. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just plain.
Oh, it's tight kind of in the back. I need to use something else.
Yes, it's like flower girl kind of. So yeah, bohemian kind of. So what you think, baby? You like it? What you
Thinking here. I like it. I'm be honest. I like it. It's not bad. It's actually okay. You know, if you had some maybe black jeans or black tights, something black.
Something
match it, yeah. Okay. But I'm not. Well, the pants don't count. So I'm just bringing going on this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but it's okay. I like it.
You like it?
I don't have too much to say about it.
Yeah, it's just a simple little.
I don't have too much to say about it. It's a simple, lightweight.
Yeah.
Lightweight. I'll give it a solid 7.
7. Seven's
Solid
not
7.
bad. Yeah, because it's not like really like, you know, it's simple. Something to just throw when you want to like be cute, not hot, and you just want to just, you know, I don't know, but yeah. I like it.
It's not bad. It's cool.
So guys, this is the last and final piece that I have from Fashion Nova. So we hope you all like this video, and if you want to see more of this kind of content, let us know in the description below, because I kind of like doing this. Next, he gonna get some stuff.
Ain't no next nothing.
And then I'm gonna review. I'm gonna rate his stuff.
Negative.
So yeah, guys. So this is the end of the video. Trying to make me fall. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more content from us. Let us know what you all would like to see next from us. We have a few items in mind, but you know, not a few items, but a few videos in mind. So let us know what you would like to see. So yeah.
Oh, make sure you guys check out our social media. I know we haven't been posting a lot.
We getting there.
Summertime's coming up.
Yeah.
That means shopping is coming up. For sure.
My favorite word.
Yeah. Stay tuned for that, guys. I don't have too much to say. Thanks for supporting us. Grind, don't stop, won't stop. Peace.